Hey YouTube, how are you doing? In this video, I'm just going to share with you some of the items that I bought in my birthday month. This is my birthday month, and I turned 32 this year. I don't know why I want to announce that, but yeah. I have 3 items here with me that I'm going to unbox with you, and I think we're going to get this smallest one. I'm going to just take out the ribbon. I don't think I need to, but yeah, just for the sake of this video. I don't know why I'm babbling. Okay. It's just in this small box, and this is actually my first accessories from Fendi, and it is to reveal Fendi FF hoop earring. So there's 2 types. It's in silver and in gold, and I decided to go with gold even though I do not have any gold jewelry on me, just because I like the mixed match. Okay, I'm back with the earrings, so let's go to the next unboxing. Alright, we go with Gucci. Oh, there's this big bag. This is I'll share with you the prices later. I'm going to put this here. So yeah, from this box you can guess what's in it. So yeah, let's open it. Oh. Right, I'm just going to open this. So from this box you can know that it is a pair of shoes. Yeah. It's all the care cards. I don't know why there's a tool in there. So yeah. I'll get it out. And it is, okay, wait, I'll show both of them. And it is, ta-da! This pair of Ace sneakers in the logo detail. Yeah. This is the back side. Okay. Yeah, I choose this particular style because of the slip-on mechanism, so you don't need to use the shoelace. It is just what slip-on mechanism, so you just slide it on, and inside is this color. I got it in the size 35, and I find that on me the Gucci Aces sneakers runs 1 size larger, so I usually take 1 size down. I usually wear size 36, but for this one I took 35. I think it's 36 EU or something. This is very simple, but I love this and I cannot wait to wear this. The last one that I got here is from Fendi again. I don't know guys, I fell in love with Fendi. And oh, it's in this box. It's in this box. Oh yeah, this is the front. So I'm going to open it. Like this. This is the receipt. Okay. I just put it here. Right. It is the new Fendi Baguette. I think this is the medium size. It's 25 centimeters. And I think this is lambskin. Yeah. This is the newest Fendi Baguette for 2019. It comes with the thick shoulder strap and a short handle, and both is removable, and the button style is magnetic and it's very strong. The magnet is very strong. So this is the inside, as you can see, and there is one slip pocket in here. What is this? Oh yeah, this is the style number. Put it back there. It's a simple bag. I like the FF embossed, and I love the FF logo that's been crazy nowadays. It's a logo mania. They call it logo mania. Yeah. The leather is very smooshy, so I know that I can pack this a lot. I mean, I can pack a lot in this bag. But before I bought this one, because it's just released, I think in February, early February or something. So before I bought this bag, I was offered a strap for my peekaboo, and that strap is very hard to get. Very hard to get, and I was offered by my SA once they got it, and it's only one left. Not one left, they only got one strap, and she offered me, and I cannot just pass that opportunity. So I decided just to go and buy it first, and maybe I can use it with my peekaboo, but I never reach it with my peekaboo since I bought the Defender. So I think that there's too much logo with the Defender. I'm talking about this Zuka guitar strap. So yeah, I plan to wear it with this. I cannot wait to wear it today. So I'm going to wear the sneakers and this today. I'm actually on a vacation, and these things are all in my car. So yeah, I'm going to show you a little bit like this. Yeah, that's all I'm going to share for today, because that is all that I got. I am going to definitely do a what's in my bag, what fits in it, and initial review of this bag soon, so stay tuned. And I hope you have a good day and take care. Bye.